Good morning, everyone. So this is our second day at the lodge. So looks pretty hot as well today. So we just prepared a little bit of breakfast. Have some bagels over here, and we're gonna have those with salmon dip that we got, and of course then we have like Pakistani style tea, chai. Yeah. So we have chai, and then we are gonna head out towards Estes Park, Rocky Mountain National Parks. So yeah, okay, so here is the river. I don't know if this is the Stony River or it's the Big Thompson River. Yeah, the river is here. We are having Pakistani chai and just chilling out here for a bit before we head out. The river seems to be flowing quite aggressively. Beautiful canyon. I wonder if it is going to be that warm over there. This is an interesting thing. Nice. Look like a fire pit. When I saw it earlier, I thought like it was a tire or something. But yeah, it's more natural kind of seating. Interesting. Yeah, we wanna come to Baba? Let's go. Hello, so we have reached Estes Park now. We are just getting some fuel from here before we enter in the Rocky Mountain National Park. The weather is quite decent today. The wind is blowing, nice breeze going on. So we might get some coffee here, and then we are gonna head out. So our entry time is at 12 noon. So I think by then we should be okay. So it's right around like 11 now. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So here is the Stanley Hotel. We plan to visit this one as well. So it's quite expensive, and they have some association with the ghosts and ghost tours and all that. So I just want to pop up there and see like what goes on. Maybe have a coffee or some kind of a lunch over there, depending what kind of rip-off prices they have. So yeah, so right now we are headed to the Fall River Road over here. I'm gonna try to enter from the Fall River entrance, and our time starts at noon, but it is like 11:18. I want to start head over there because there might be a queue over there might be a line over there, so we have to deal with that. So yeah, really enjoying our time off a little bit, and so far the kiddo has been good. So he has been surviving. Sometimes he says that let's go home, but yeah, so he don't really understand. We are missing our cat. So one of our friends visited her last night, fed her shrimps and all that. And Gumbo was complaining, hey, where are all my bigger cats went? So we're gonna talk to her have seen her in Blinky as well. So she's hanging out there. She's okay. And this morning, our other friends, elderly couple, they are visiting her. So they are again gonna try to feed her because the most problem is she won't eat any kind of kibble or anything like that. She just eats dry treats and shrimps. So she eats like one or two shrimps in the morning, and then she likes like the wet treat or the dry treat, no kibble at all. So, but if you want to feed her like kibble or something, then you have to feed her with spoons. She would not eat otherwise. So before even entering, we spotted bunch of cars parked up and bunch of elks. So I just wanted to have quick look at them. This seems to be the elk bulls. They're kind of chewing after feeding themselves. There are two over here. One is over there in the shade, and they have quite big antlers here, as you can see. As I said previously, the elk rat is going to start pretty soon. Uh, Look at that beauties. Look at their antlers. So these are kind of deer elks. Wow, yummy looking. Okay, a little bit of memories. So I kept calling it Fawn River Inn. It is actually the Fawn Valley Inn. So this was the very first hotel that we stayed in Rocky Mountain National Park when we visited it for the very first time in 2018. And this was the lodge where we went for stargazing yesterday night. So almost at the entrance now. It's 11:30, so I'm just gonna squeeze in, and if there is not much line, I'm gonna see if the ranger let me in. Even our start time is noon, so generally they don't care much as far as you have a timed entry ticket, which I do, and I still need to buy the pass as well because the last I visited it was in 2025 with my friends, and at that time some federal thing was happening, and they just told me that you don't need to have any ticket. There are no employees or anything checking those things anymore. So this is over here the Fall River Visitor Center. We do want to visit it, but I think we would stop here later in the day. Or maybe tomorrow. Right now my priority is to enter in the park and look around a little bit, and I want to drive to the Alpine Visitor Center. That's a very cool place. So now this is the attraction that you usually see over here. So this is the Rocky Mountain National Park sign, and this is the so touristy thing. I have done all this before, so I am not too concerned. I have those pictures. Have been to this park many times, and we have been hiking here a lot. But recently, after the birth of my son, we kind of slowed down, and we actually have become unhealthy again. So hopefully we are going to transition back, and let's see. So we are right at the entrance, and I'm gonna see if they let me enter with the noon pass. Okay, so we have entered in the Rocky Mountain National Park. Here is the map that we got, as well as the visitor guide, and I purchased the annual pass over here. So not very happy that I got Trump's picture and I have to carry it with me now. But yeah, okay, here we are outside. This area is called Sheep Lakes. There are many tiny lakes over here that when we drive up the hill we can actually see them from the top. I think we have hiked here a little bit earlier. So we're gonna look. There are some rangers over here as well. Uh, Bighorn sheep, the state animal. I think Colorado state animal. Bighorn sheep is that. Uh, wow. I just love this national park, and this used to be my favorite national parks till I saw Yellowstone. Uh, there, some rangers are talking to my son. Yeah, so as I said, this used to be my favorite national park till I visited Yellowstone. I really love the Grand Teton as well, but Yellowstone is the next level. And we actually saw some black bears and black bear mama cubs walk on the out there, and it was very close. I would share that vlog as well somewhere. But yeah,
Let's go.
still quite hazy over there. You can see some snow even. So I am thinking whether I should climb this thing over here or not. I see some people over here. I might go over there. I don't know yet. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I am up here. Yeah, you too as well. This rest is cool dude. He is using Ray-Ban glasses to capture everything from the first person perspective. I am here at the top that I showed you from down there. Over here we can see the meadow, we can see the mountains. One of them I think is a 14er called Longs Peak somewhere here. I'm not familiar like where it is. Uh, okay. Okay, so here I am. This is the view. And let me get another angle over here. So this is where we were driving earlier. And so nothing to complain about. This is so beautiful. As always, as I said, I am in love with this park, and this is really close to us, so we can just come over here in like 2.5 hours. This time it took us like 5 hours because, yeah, as you know, you have seen the footage. We had to stop at various places. Yeah. Okay. This one is pretty straightforward from here. Here we go. And I think we came from this side. Chalo. Okay, this one is straightforward now. Let's see. There is only this chunk which I have to step over. Yeah, here we go. Eto. Chalo मेरा problem. Okay. Okay. Yes. And these are just fancy steps. Nothing much. Maybe class 1, class 2. Go. Here it is. We are going towards the Alpine Visitor Center now. I think back over there. One of them is Longs Peak. It is considered one of the deadliest 14ers of Colorado. Others are like Maroon Bell, like Maroon Peaks. Both of them, they are also considered the deadly mountains. They actually have the nickname of Deadly Bells because they look like Gaussian bells. So yeah, I'm just driving over here and just hanging out. Did climb that part over there. This was like a simple scrambling over there, not much of a scrambling, just walking up. Let's see. Okay, so we are here, Hidden Valley Nature Area. So they are generally Junior Ranger headquarters are here. So we are just gonna go for a stroll. We are just gonna go around over here. I think it is just like 0.35 or 0.6 miles. I think that's it. Yeah, this is a cool area to have a lunch. There are a number of benches over there at the front, and you can sit along the creek as well, have your lunch. We can actually see the tundra over there where we're gonna go. So Alpine Tundra, that is where they have like very delicate flowers and stuff, and they request everybody to sit and walk on the places where people already have been. You can already see along the trail there are benches, beautiful alpine trees over here. Have a look around. Beautiful. There is some information like what you can see in this area of the park. This is one again by Junior Rangers. It's the creek flowing, beautiful. So here are the animals of Hidden Valley. I think we got a nice resource here. Go on, Romo. So what you see over here is elk, coyotes. Let's go forward. And then we have squirrels, woody woodpecker, or mule deer, and again, what is it? Yeah, it is for Junior Rangers. So yeah, this place is really cool for the Junior Rangers. I remember when Romo was younger, she used to collect the Junior Rangers badges, and she would also go and collect. They generally give you a kind of a scavenger kind of hunt kind of a thing. Yeah, so you can go around and you can see which animals have you seen and mark it. And there was also like a word puzzle as well. What else used to be there? I think coloring, right, Romo? You don't remember? Okay. So yeah, so we are just dealing with teenage hormones these days. So some days it's bra, Other days it's no answer. So how do you deal with your teens? We are just gonna go now. Just did this small loop strolling. We're gonna just try to find a place to sit down, eat our lunch, and then gonna head towards the Alpine Visitor Center. I really want to climb those stairs up there. I don't know whether I can do them or not because I am, as I said, we have become really unfit now. But I'm gonna try it anyway, and then gonna walk around the Alpine Tundra. Maybe we can go to the Continental Divide as well. But we are not gonna go all the way to the Grand Lake. That doesn't make any sense because we are staying on the east part here. Let's see. So yeah, we just came out from the Hidden Valley thing. Just gonna have our quick lunch that we grabbed, and yeah, lunchtime. I'm just gonna eat. I'm gonna petite.
Yes, yes, we're having a nice time. Well, the girls' trip is over and now Kevin is here.
Okay, so here is it. That's the long speak. You can see over there. Okay, Mount Meeker, Battle Mountain, Estes-Con, Lily Mountain, Twin Sisters.
Just all kind of great, all kinds of different places. Yeah. All kinds of. Yeah, we stayed in. Kevin, what's the name of the town last night? Breckenridge. We stayed in Breckenridge last night. And President View is very good. Very good. Hold on, let me see.
Maybe one day I can climb Long's Peak. Hopefully. There's a nice picture spot over there, quite busy. Everyone is climbing up there. Let's see if we can go as well. Okay, so Roma and I came up, so I decided to hang back with baby, which is a good choice. So we can see the Sheep's Lake. So all those cascade over there, those are essentially the Sheep's Lake. So we are here. It's a nice photo place. Everyone wants to take a picture over here. And again, we can see Long's Peak. A lot of clouds are showing up, darker clouds. I think it's going to be rain at Tundra over there. Yeah. Hello. We are still Greenabone, so we are trying to entertain our kid. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-O. With a bloom here and a bloom there. Bloom here, green a bloom here, and red a bloom there. Old MacDonald had a farm. Rainbow, yes. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-O. With a green bloom here, with a green bloom there. Here bloom, everywhere a bloom. Old MacDonald had a bloom. Very pretty bloom. Jago is kind of tired of sitting in the car. And we are.
Is this gonna be in your vlog?
Yeah, so what? We are kind of trying to stretch it. Let's see. Look at that.
It's like a holiday made of like
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-O. And in that farm he had a jagu, E-I-E-O. With a jagu here, and a jagu there. Here a jagu, there a jagu, here a romo, there a romo. Old MacDonald.
ఎంత పెట్టారు
Oh, they're fighting. Oh.
Okay, so we have pulled up at the rainbow curve here. So there are a lot of chipmunks, and just like any silly person, we used to feed them. So they actually are very affectionate. They come to your hand just for food, but then once we were feeding them, and a park ranger came and she told us that don't feed them because it's not good. One, they get like set that they are gonna get food from humans, and the second they might have rabies. Uh, since then we try to avoid feeding them and holding them. Michelle, you ever look at those chipmunks? Chipmunks, sitting over here. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. That one is fat, Roma.
Like you.
Oh, they're fighting. They're fighting. They're fighting. They're fighting. They're fighting badly.
Oh my god.
Wow. Look at that fight, man. Oh, damn.
You can tell who's winning.
I can't tell. One of them is pretty fat.
Oh,
See?
he won.
Oh,
I think maybe he scared away the other one.
this guy is pretty tiny and he's fighting a fat dude. It's like Romo.
He didn't win.
It's like Romo fighting a. So cute, but you might have disease. See? Is this the one that was fighting?
Maybe. He seems pretty outrageous.
They look like a small mouse. This one is big.
This one is fat.
Yeah. I think it might be a different species.
It kind of looks like a pig, right?
No, it's not a pika.
Oh, no, the pikas are the ones that have like the rubber.
Different. Pikas are there over there in the Cherry Creek State Park. Look over there, pikas.
Oh, he got it.
ये रेबीज है इसके अंदर चूसों के अंदर
He comes like you call him. Not like Gumbo who just stares at you like.
The wind can easily knock someone down if they're skinny. Luckily, I am not skinny. The fatty acid. Hello, fatty. Hey, fatty. Hey, fatty. Fatty, you wanna come up?
Oh, he's saying cute one. Cute second.
Okay, here to check out the tundra. Beautiful. Beautiful. With Forest Canyon.
Glacier right in there?
Beautiful. Amazingly beautiful.
Yeah, it is nice.
sitting.
He's not moving at all. Yeah, so might be your rock.
Do you spot a marmot here?
Not now, but when we were driving along the road, I saw marmots. Yes.
Okay. Usually it's a nice place for marmots to hang out. Not this time. Don't see any. That buck was running like crazy. I'm not like, I don't know if it's going to start. It's running again. For that. That is kind of the indication of the rut starting up.
What even is the rut?
The rut is where they are trying to find
Mates?
mates.
So they're all aggressive?
Yeah, they are all aggressive and I don't know. This looks like a female to me though.
I think
It doesn't have any antlers or stuff.
So it's not a buck.
Yeah.
It's a doe?
This one is excellent. Wow. This one is excellent.
This is the visitor center.
Oh, no, baby.
Are we stopping here?
Okay.
Should we not?
We can skip it. Okay, here we are at the lava cliffs. We can read a little bit about it over there. But that seems to be like the melted glacier or something. Look at that beauty. Wow. What a beautiful color. Okay, so we have finally reached the Alpine Visitor Center. So you can see all the cars over there, and you can actually go up that, so you can see a little bit of trail going on. So we have done that previously. I'm gonna see if I can do that today as well. So this is 11,796 feet of elevation. That's the elevation of the visitor center, and I think you go like maybe 200 or 300 feet above. So we're just gonna go in. The baby is not happy now. He might be having some pain due to his ears, and his tooth is also coming, so he's also getting that. So after visiting this trail, I think we are just gonna wrap it up and head down to Estes Park and see what we can do over there, eat some food and stuff, something like that. So let's just go inside, and I'm gonna try to, as I said, try to go up here. Now you can see the trail. So I think it is around, if I'm not mistaken, 200 to 400 feet. elevation here, maybe less than that.
Yes.
We did go there, and it's a bit challenging, but we are out of shape, so let's see what we can do. Oh, you are not going? Okay, I'm gonna try. Very cute. Very cool, very cool. I don't know, maybe. Beautiful stuffies. Yeah. Oh, Roma, we look at those trousers. It's like for the whole. Yeah, it's for the whole family. Very nice. Yeah, you did. With the 7 animals? Five. I remember this is a big one. Big visitor center. Look at that. This is the view outside the Alpine Visitor Center. Wow. That is over there that we had the hot chocolate Roma. That was like really, really sweet one, right? What are these? What the hell? Yeah. Did you see this bill? Mama.
Has too many responsibilities.
Yes. Mama bear. Monks. Oh, that's the cafe. I was remembering correctly. Yeah. That is where we sat down, had some coffee and hot cocoa. All great. Yeah. Diego, look outside. So, instead of looking from the inside this thing without any glass in front, this is the most beautiful place. Wow. I'm just fascinated by this place here. It's so amazing, so windy. So these are like, looks like kind of an amphitheater. Yes. So we are in the Estes Park area near the river. It's quite warm out here. Look at the sparrows, they are kind of trying to cool down here as well. A lot of sparrows over here. Very pretty. Look at the flowers. We are wandering around in Estes Park, the town now. Just stopped here, looked into number of shops. I was fascinated by these flowers here. Traffic. Caramel, salt,
I don't remember.
Munchin House. Bunch of ice cream from here. Destroyed. Didn't care for the attitude they have. The shopkeepers. They seems like very unwelcoming kind of people. That's it. This is the sock store here. Shit happens over here. Did you see this? Roma, did you see this? Shit happens. Oh, more cowboy. It breathes.
Yes. It just goes up and down. Look at the cat. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It breathes.
Oh, doggy is also breathing.
Like, this is better than B. And it's the same price.
Very beautiful. Yeah, their ice cream is pretty good, but their attitude is not. Huh? Maybe they are very busy. That's why. Mountain blown glass. Himalayan curry and kebab bhi hai sab cuisine of Himalayan curry and kebab. You wanna try this one?
No,
He was what? Cheese pizza? Okay. Just set on cheese pizza. Let's see. Him and what?
He meant her.
They both are cheese pizza. What did he do? तुम तेरे मतलब दे कर तेरे मतलब दे oh trolley should we go in I love it so you wanna try Roma, would you fit in that chair? Black trading. Black trading. Bob and Tony's pizza? This is pizza by the slice actually. Okay.
Again. How about this? Just like the bra?
Old time portraits. Nice. Mount Everest gift house. Okay. What is this? Rowan, look at these cats. All those species which are very popular these days.
But people like us will never find out.
Nice, very nice.
That's cute.
Yeah, I really like it. Well, a lot of ice cream stores. Every fourth or fifth store is ice cream and candy store here. And most people are just eating all kind of ice cream. I'm digging these flowers and all those plants over here that they have installed. I don't know what kind of a building is that. What factory is that? Oh, the Stanley Chocolate Factory. That would be interesting to go in. I mean, I can drop into that and see what that is. But yeah, I'm gonna go there. Yeah. The ladies are talking about some kind of a satchel bag that Robo wants to purchase. So after that, I'm gonna step in the Stanley chocolate thing. I really love this pinwheel. Look at that. Wow. Just have zoomed it out a little bit so that we can capture the whole of it. So look at that. It's beautiful, beautiful. Very pretty place. Yeah, so we just crossed the street, went over there, and unfortunately it is closed now. So it closes at 6. So they were just cleaning over there, and the lady told us that it closed at 6. So we probably have to try to get in tomorrow here. So I really want to check this. So all of us like chocolate except for Saba. So really want to go in. The wind is picking up. Little cool here. Did you see the mural over there?
Yeah.
That's very colorful one. Huh?
It is.
Kind of cool looking.
I'm pretty done using markers still. Whatever it takes.
Rocky Mountain Top. I wonder what that is. Big Hall Drive. Let's cross, guys. Hey.
Do you love mama or do you love baba? I will do it. Do you love mama? Later? Okay. Later. Inside I will tell
I think we
you
can
the-
walk from here. Can we?
Oh, they have jellycats.
What cat?
Jellycat.
What are jellycats?
It's like a plushie.
Do you love mama or do you love baba? Love later? Okay. You want to tell me later? Yeah? Can you tell me right now?
Hello all, so we are done for the day. We just got a cheese pizza for the kiddos. They wanted to use that for their dinner from Domino's, and we are just gonna go ahead to our lodge and just gonna eat some food that we have from yesterday. like naans and some kebabs and little bit rice that we brought from home. So just gonna eat that, and that is pretty much it. So it was a very cool day visiting Rocky Mountain National Park after a long time with family. So I look forward to doing something fun tomorrow. So we would keep you posted.